We're at 11909 8th Avenue Southwest. This is pulling back from main through toilet flange in the house. Post cabling to open the line was backed up. Looks like maybe there was something just coming in from a tie-in line. Could be a neighboring sewer. Not 100% sure, but we did use all the fixtures in the house, and they all enter into the sewer line prior to this Y. So I will show the turn here. Otherwise, the sewer looks like it's in fairly decent shape. So right here at this turn, you can see that there's an inlet right here to the left. Not sure if that's a neighboring line tying in, but we'll pull the sewer card and try to determine that. But that's right where our blockage was.